These will be the elevators at 230 the Vesey Street Shops at Brookfield Place, Battery Park City, New York. And here's this one. It happens to be waiting for us. These are Elevonic 411s. It's going to have P4. Here we are at P4. Go back up to lobby. Here we are back at the lobby. Going down to what level? Okay, P1. This is P1. Have a good day. Guess the P4 button doesn't work on this one. Okay, for some reason these park on P, and going down. I'll get off here. And here's this one. That one over there seems to be running a little glitchy today. P4. Because I hit P4 and it didn't respond. Here we are at P4. Back up to lobby. It's your basic modern office building elevator. Nothing too fancy about it. Though these run good. Aside from the other one being glitchy. The glitch on that other one. Here at lobby. Go up down to P4. I don't think I can get both indicators on this. Here you are back at P4. Go back, ended at the street. Here we're back up at the street. Oh, somebody called it.